Hello everybody. Today we are on the job site and we're installing a vapor barrier. And to seal the vapor barrier, to keep the moisture from getting into your walls, we use acoustical sealant. This is a petroleum product that's black, and when you touch it, accidentally touch it, it gets on everything. And so we got it on our hands and how are we going to get this off? WD-40. This is what we were using. Take a look at this. Here's a small can we had on the job site. We just take this, spray it on a rag, and then wipe it off. Comes off like butter. So we'll show you how it works. Well, here we're going to use a paper towel. We're going to spray some WD-40 on it. And there you go. Now, we've got some acoustical sealant on my hands. And if you touch anything, it's going to transfer onto your other hand. It goes everywhere. You can use this to clean your tools off too. You take this, look at that, just coming right off. Just like that. This one too. End of the day, we wash our hands with WD-40. Well, hopefully that helps you. So when you're installing acoustical sealant, you got a way to get your tools cleaned off, your hands, and you're not going to get it on everything. At coffee break and lunch, just clean your hands. You don't get it on your tools, on your clothes. Works great. Hopefully that helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on our next project.